Sometimes I hate this bubble of mine, but I know it could be way worse, so I try not to cry. If I could solve all of my problems in the songs that I write, then I would never have to question if I'm alright. Do you know what's under the floor? I'll give you a second, you'll give me a reason, and it leads to you walking out the door. And you'll never know what it's like to live life through a glass, and I dwell on the past. No one tells me it's okay. Sometimes I hate this bubble of mine, but I know it can be way worse, so I try not to cry. If I could solve all of my problems in the songs that I write, then I would never have to question if I'm alright. Now what's under the floor? I'll give you a second, you'll give me a reason, and it's you walking out the door. You know it's easy to take to the glass, and it's all in the past. Don't tell me it's okay.